Speaker, sir, during the general discussion on budget, I highlight that there is a need to reject Marina now she proposed by private company under the lease agreement with Marmagua Port Authority. It is almost 14 years struggle, and every time locals have opposed it. Honorable MLA of Santander, Mr. Viresh Borkar, also spoke about the opposition of the public to the Marina project. When Honorable CM intervened and said that this is a green project and it is supposed to provide employment, the reply provided to me to my question, an additional document that we have obtained in the previous assembly session, and that is in the public domain, I would differ with Honorable CM that says that the project is a devastation to the ecology, marine life of the fragile area, and also will destroy the livelihood of traditional fishermen who are predominantly from ST category. Now, with this reply shows that the project proponent has approached GCZMA for the approval. And as per the reply, we understand that the matter is under scrutiny of the department. The people of Nausi and entire Zuari coast are worried. So, my first supplement, the original proposal for the public hearing for the environment impact assessment was withheld due to the public opposition, and even High Court observed that unless CZMP 2011 was finalized, no decision should be taken on this project. Now the requirement of EIA has been exempted from this project as a result of amendment made in the Environment Protection Act by Expert Appraisal Committee of Ministry of Environment of Government of India. As per the reply, the company has approached the... company has approached for the NOC. Now the company has approached from the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority on 15/9/2023. So, the CZMP plan is in 2019 is going on. 2011 final round, after 2019 azun finalize झालं. So
प्रश्न नेमकं प्रश्न विचार.
GCZMA has taken any decision on this project before finalizing of CZMP plan 2019.
Yes.
To decision घेतलो हेजेर 2019 CZMP plan जायनो पहिले.
Speaker sir, my honorable colleague has said that CZMP 2019 is under process. Am I right? 2019 is not complete, it's under process.
So, 2011
as of today, CZMP 2011 is in force. So we will go by 2011.
2011.
I'm on my feet. You have spoken of the High Court judgment. The High Court judgment says that until CZMP 2011 is finalized, this application cannot be entertained.
But आता 2019 CZMP चालवता. आता तो अजून final
answer complete
19 finalize झालं ना सण तो decision
2019 will take its own time to be completed.
So 2019 जावपासून तुम्ही रावपा जाय नो.
No, as of today, 2011 is in force.